All right, so hello. This is secret code name Raining Diamonds. This is the new moon in Pisces. Witch choice secret code name readings. For those of you who did purchase your own personal secret code name, you know which message is yours. For those of you who did not purchase your own individual secret code name, but were drawn to one of them, there is most likely a message in there for you to take away from. If you would ever like your own secret code name, you can absolutely do that. They are in my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is linked below. You can get them there. All right. For today, Raining Diamonds, I am using my Rider-Waite Tarot for choice A and my Hermetic Tarot for choice B, and then pulling some guidance from my Sacred Power reading cards at the end. While I am shuffling the decks, be clear in your mind what is choice A and what is choice B. All right. You can start, if you haven't already, determine that right now. What is choice A and what is choice B? Because I am going to be reading the result of those choices for you so that you can discern which choice is in your highest good to choose. Okay, so for secret code name Raining Diamonds, what is the result of choosing A? What is the result of choosing A? I feel like there's more in here. Okay. What is the result, Spirit, of choice B? What is the result of choice B for secret code name Raining Diamonds? What is the result of choice B? All right. All right. Hey. Okay. So, real quick, choice B. Choice B is the better one. All right. So listen, choosing choice A, right? If you decide to choose choice A, we definitely have arguments and losses that you will need to heal from. Different heartfelt communications that you will feel are a burden, living in a nightmare state with the fucking devil energy. It's not your dream come true. You might have a sacred soulmate with the Six of Cups here who will not commit to you. The King of Wands is a non-committal. If I said King of Cups, I meant King of Wands. The King of Wands is a non-committal, irrational, solo king. And to be fair, he lives in the past, acting like he's looking towards the future. Okay? Lives in the past while acting like he's looking towards the future. I don't feel like you'll ever get your 10 of Cups. I think it's buried underneath the 9 of Swords and the devil energy, choosing A. I think you're going to be dealing with a lot of soul burden and need to do a lot of fucking healing. soul healing, serious fucking soul healing with the Star card after the fights or arguments that you would end up getting in. Okay. Needing to learn how to be married to the self, or constantly feeling as though you are being left out in the cold. Results that never show. Okay, because we have the 7 of coin on top with the Hierophant and the 5 of coins on bottom. Married to being alone. Okay, married to being alone and feeling out in the cold. No results. Okay, choice A, whatever you decided choice A was, it yields no results. Okay, you can bury your highest good feelings, feeling fulfilled, and kiss them goodbye, right? Choice B, however, we do have the Sun card on the bottom with the Ace of Cups on top, being able to welcome in overflow, getting inspired within the self after a period of feeling alone. Okay. We've got the 3 of coins with the Ace of Swords, being committed to the truth. High Priestess with the 9 of Cups. You know your wish fulfillment's out there. Matter of fact, you know your wish will be granted, what you really truly wish for in soul. That you would be in union with the self. But you know that comes at a price with the 3 of Swords, having to let go of a King of Cups or someone who you are very emotionally attached to, who really is you staring your snakes down the barrel. You know what I mean? Your emotions, you've got to face your fucking shadows with whatever this attachment is that would cause a 3 of Swords feeling for choosing the better of 2 options, because it yields the Ace of Pentacles, a brand new beginning that comes out with the Magician. Something very magical, something very beautiful, something very solid, something very carefully woven together just for you. Okay, choice B. Choice B, you might be heartbroken over because you might really want choice A, but choice A is a fucking nightmare waiting to happen, and choice B yields a beautiful result if you can get over your own emotions, right? Your own emotionally, your emotional attachment to someone else, which is keeping you emotionally detached from your own truth, and maybe what you're feeling. Being attached to choice A is not actually going to yield anything good, right? That it would be between choice A and choice B. I feel like you need to let choice A go. Like 110% need to let choice A go, whatever that was for you that you decided was choice A. Because choice B yields a very solid new beginning, and it actually gives you what you want. It does actually grant you your wish. It does actually come with the Sun card. It does actually come with the Ace of Cups. It does actually come with truth. It does actually come with something who is very much aligned with your intuition, a magical new beginning, with someone who is emotionally mature. You just have to choose emotional maturity for yourself first, okay? Emotional maturity being the integrity or honesty or vulnerability you have with your truth, that it doesn't actually feel good to be attached to whatever it is, right? It doesn't actually feel good to be emotionally attached to it. Especially if they are, you know, a long-term soulmate from past lives that just will not or cannot commit to you in this life, right? That you would need to deeply heal from it and take a lot of soul burden on. Nightmares, devil energy type shit. Like, you don't need it. You will be taking defeat after defeat and yielding no results with choice A. All right. That is the overwhelming answer with that choice. So, what is the guidance, please, Spirit, for raining diamonds? What is the guidance through these choices to help them discern what the best choice is for them? Self-love. Self-love. Love yourself enough to let the karmic cycles go. Love yourself enough to choose what might seemingly be really hard, letting go of a soulmate that you're very attached to, that absolutely needs to be let go of per the cycle of things. All right, so self-love. Raining Diamonds, be courageous and listen to your own advice. Birds at the top there. Be courageous and listen to your own advice. Your inner child is an aspect of the self, reminiscent of all that you have learned and experienced. Free, spontaneous, creative, and full of wonder, your inner child longs to be in a state of joy, but also requires nurturing, attention, and constant reassurance. Your inner child feels these extremes of emotion because they lack understanding of why particular circumstances have occurred. You can shift long-standing emotional patterns by working with your inner self, resolve problems, trauma, and issues that you have found challenging and difficult to address. While you may have grown up quickly or had a limited childhood absent of opportunities and experiences, the inner child is an aspect of you that requires love and attention even as an adult. Emotions are powerful. Like children, adults manipulate, rebel, throw tantrums, and can also put on a brave face for the sake of others. To create a symbiotic relationship, you, the parent, and your inner child must work in agreement of security, safety, acceptance, and surety. Acknowledging that you have been wounded is the first step in shifting your mindset. Self-love is essential right now, as there is a child within you needing parental help and advice. Grieving for the past or circumstances that we did not understand at the time, no matter how old you were, is now necessary. Helplessness, confusion, or feeling overwhelmed can trigger childlike behavior such as tantrums, manipulation, and rebellion in an attempt to get what you want. Take the time to be playful and curious. Be courageous and learn the power of no. It will shield you from energetically pushy people seeking to compromise your values and integrity. If you were to see the little you now, what sage advice would you give, knowing what you know today? The affirmation: I nurture the child within me. I am complete, whole, and secure. I am safe. Raining Diamonds. Sometimes we get so attached to people from past lives, and we picture the best dream, right? We picture the best dream. We can't see or understand how we could have been manipulated by someone else's trauma. And we don't want to acknowledge that we were manipulated in any which way, shape, or form, that someone who we believed was honest with us, with their soul, was not honest. And we don't want to see it because it hurts more than the hurt we already feel. But at some point we have to stop punishing ourselves and take things for exactly what they are. It's not what it's not the words that someone said that we wish were true. It's that we wish their actions showed the words they spoke were true. But actions speak louder than words. Their actions are their truth. The truth is the truth in action. People could tell us that they love us, but if their actions don't reflect it, then they're not being honest. Not the way we want it to be. Whatever choice A was. Let it go. Accept the fact that maybe, even if someone held the best intentions or meant the things that they said, that they ultimately, energetically duped you, especially if their actions did not follow suit with their words. Or that you duped yourself hoping that their words weren't true. Choice A yields absolutely no results. And choice B is the beautiful choice that requires you to let go of holding on to choice A. Love yourself enough to grow from this. Okay? I have faith that this will help you, no matter how difficult it may be. My love and support are with you always. Always. Love each other, but most importantly, love yourself. Bye.